Hi everybody, just wanted to show you my latest project using a PIC 16f877a microcontroller. The only reason I really used that controller was that I just had some in my spare parts drawer which I needed to use up. So the project is basically a 6-digit digital clock showing hours and minutes and seconds. As you can see, it's running right now, and it's using 8x8 LED matrix displays, 3 of them, driven by the popular max7219 decoder multiplexer interface chip, which allows SPI communication between the microcontroller and the 7219 display chip. So only actually 3 wires are needed from the microcontroller to the 7219, which makes wiring up the circuit really easy. Obviously you still need +5 and 0 volts to make all that work. Okay, so what else can I tell you? We're only really using 6 I/O pins on the microcontroller. As I said, just 3 for the SPI interface to the display. We've got a couple of push buttons which are out of shot at the moment, which control the setting of hours and minutes when you first power up the clock. I'll just press the hours one, you can see that sort of incrementing right now, and I'll just press the minutes one, you can see that incrementing too. Just a simple push button control, and then there's one I/O pin used for what I call an LED diagnostic output, which is this LED here, just to tell me that is actually within the interrupt service routine, just to tell me that the 1 second interrupt service routine is actually being entered and left within the 1 second time expected. As you can see, 2 digits are displayed on each 8x8 matrix, which is, I guess, a little bit unusual. I just didn't want to have like 6 8x8 matrices to make up 6 digits, so I put 2 digits on each individual matrix, which wasn't too difficult to do in programming, and I'll link the files to the program in the bottom in the comments section. So as you can see, we're displaying on the far left hand hours, in the middle section minutes, and in the far right matrix section the seconds. The whole sort of timing sequence works on an interrupt basis, so timer 1's been set up to overflow when 60 seconds have elapsed. And that also handles resetting seconds if they're greater than 59 seconds to 0, if minutes are greater than 59 minutes also to 0, and if hours are greater than 23 minutes, obviously it's a 24-hour clock, to 0. And then finally it resets the timer 1 interrupt flag to 0 to enable a further interrupt 1 second later. The digits individually of the display are split into units and tens of seconds, minutes and hours using the common sort of modulo division technique, whereby the remainder of a division is shown. So that's pretty straightforward. Decoding of the digits from seconds and minutes and hours is done via a lookup table, like an array, using a pointer to pass the numbers stored in the array to an update display function. Then that then writes to the max7219 8x8 matrix displays. So it's been created in a sort of modular way so that I can reuse most of the code in different elements to go towards future projects. I know that they should work and they've been tested. So that's the project. Hope you like it, and see you soon. Cheers then. Bye.